Hello, 4th graders. Today I'll be talking to you about Unit 2, Lesson 9. And we're going to be discussing the different types of methods that you have learned already. So you've learned the place value section method, the expanded notation method, and then also the algebraic notation method. And today you're going to learn another method called the shortcut method. First, we're going to start off with comparing these methods for solving 9 times 28. So they gave us 4 different methods: Method A, Method B, Method C, and Method D. Let's first look at Method A. Method A is the full expanded notation method, which it includes the tens and the ones equation. So here's our 10 equation, 9 times 20. And then our 1 equations, 9 times 8. So this is the full expanded notation method. Then for method B, it shows the expanded notation method, but without the tens and 1 equations. So they didn't use those equations right there. They solved it mentally. So the difference between method A and method B is method A has the tens and 1 equations, and method B left out the 1s and 10 equations. And they solved 180 and 72 mentally. Now, let's look at method C and method D. This is known as the shortcut method, which I'll be discussing a little bit later in this video. So here for method C, boys and girls, it's writing the steps of separating the tens and the 1s and 28. They do it mentally, but still multiplies the tens before the 1s, multiplying left to right. So this problem, they're multiplying it first from left to right. They're doing 9 times 2, which is our tens, and then they get 9 times 8, which is our 1s. So method C is they multiply the tens first, then multiply the 1s. Now for method D, it's still the shortcut method, but this time they multiply the 1s first, which is 9 times 8 equals 72. Then they multiplied the tens column, 9 times 2, which equals 18, and adding that 0. So the difference between method C and D is method C, they're multiplying the tens first, then the 1s, and method D, they're multiplying the 1s first, and then the tens. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to use the shortcut method when multiplying. Now I'm going to show you how to use the shortcut method. My problem is 28 times 9. So the first step, boys and girls, that I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply my 9 times 8, which is my 1. So 9 times 8, 1 equals 72 ones. I have 2 1s, and then I bring my 7 tens to my tens column. Now I am going to multiply. My second step is multiplying 9 times 2, which is 9 times 2 tens, which equals 18 tens. Then I add the 7 tens from step 1 to equal 25 tens. So my answer for 28 times 9 equals 252. I'm going to show you using the shortcut method one more time. So here I have 76 times 3. So my first step is multiplying my 1s out. So 6 times 3 1s equals 18. So I have my 8, and then I bring that 1 10. Now, my second step is multiplying the tens. So I'd multiply 3 times 7, which 3 times 7 equals 21. But remember, I had that 1 from my first step, so I'm going to add 21 plus 1, which equals 22. So 76 times 3 equals 228. Now, in today's lesson, you can use any method to solve your multiplication problems. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.